This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Danielle Putis. Nestled among the rolling greens of Grand Harbor, you'll find this fully furnished, immaculate Harmony Island unit. You'll love the desirable split floor plan with dual primary suites that open to a large covered balcony with beautiful golf, water and wildlife views. The bright and sunny southern exposure on 8th hole of river course floods the unit with light on the inside, with a wonderful active lifestyle to be had just outside your door. Grand Harbor offers wonderful amenities, golf, tennis, swimming, an active clubhouse and a beautiful fully renovated beach club. This one has it all. For more information, review the details below or contact Danielle Putis at 772-231-1270.